In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called File Manager and click on it. Then select Category at the bottom left corner and click on Downloads next to Favorites over here. Then tap on Downloads one more time. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, you can always click on it, pick the best source to open it, and hit just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!